about Rise and Grow?
Yeah, maybe let's. I go with the Rise, and then Almer can explain what Grow is all about.
Is he doing Grow?
Exactly. So, in simple words, you can say, as we explained, S for cloud is a product which comes into different editions, and with Rise you can think about the comprehensive offering, which includes S/4HANA Cloud as its main component of this offering. Plus, it has also additional tools and services underneath. So examples are SAP Readiness Check or a custom code migration. We also have acquired a company called SAP Signavio, which is good in business process management. Yeah, exactly. So this is also coming with it. And our marketing message is usually that this is a transformation engagement, and I think this fits it really good, yeah, because in the end it's about bringing a company's its traditional ERP landscape towards a new one. But this is not only about changing an IT system, so processes needs to be changed, so it needs a structured way of handling this. And it starts by analyzing, improving the current business processes with tools like SAP Signavio, and it ends with continuous adoption of this new functionality. And the beauty of it is, and that's why it's pretty successful, because it's an engagement and an offering with a single contract partner, which is SAP. Yeah, so every things that customers need to deal with, they will contact SAP, and SAP has, of course, also a big ecosystem of partners, and this can be included as well in this offering. Yeah? So that's the main difference. Yeah. So in simple words, S4 is the product. Rise is the comprehensive offering that includes the product, but plus also additional services, if you will.
Yeah. So you guys just put a bunch of things together and was like, this is a great way of doing it. So I'll take some of this and this and this. We'll make it Rise. And then like a little package kind of thing.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, and you mentioned just a couple of minutes ago for startups maybe. And therefore, if you're a startup, you like to grow. And maybe from there, the grow with SAP. I don't know who has invented the term, but maybe this is like how it
y'all are doing flowers.
Marketing came to that. The thing like grow, and grow is really, it's an offering of our S/4HANA Cloud, the public edition, and mainly targeting mid-sized companies. Yeah. And it is a package which is really targeting to make this implementation adoption of our public cloud edition faster, yeah, and easier for the mid-sized companies, because they, as we have talked about, they don't have I don't know, tons of consultants or a big IT department that they can implement. They can afford it to spend a lot of efforts in the long and complex projects. So they need something quickly, something easy to implement, and that's basically behind it. And it's also it's a package, yeah, which includes services, knowledge or learning resources, basically, which you can access. Yeah, I mean, basically access for free. You have guided expert support to activate the best practices processes, which is also one main pillar there. So you have the best practice processes.
Isn't that mainly like industries? Like, didn't it kind of like you could get I don't know where I read this somewhere, about industry specific for Grow, that they were saying like, oh, if this is for mid market, maybe not. Probably not.
Not.
I thought there was something in there about making it easier for that mid-market company to jump on, everything was kind of there.
Yeah, of course, it's there. I mean, if we have certain processes for certain industries, we would not go into complex manufacturing with. I would not necessarily go, but if the company decides, well, it still fits, but they would. I mean, would a startup be in complex manufacturing? Most likely not. Yeah, no. But therefore it's excluded. But we have some. I mean, for all the industries, our finance solution fits. Yeah,
No,
definitely.
it's true. All those finance, yeah.
That's there. I mean,
Insurance.
Independently, which size you are, in which industry you are, you can use our finance solution, definitely.
Yeah,
But
like
I think you look at also some other best practice processes for your industry and for your company. Therefore, they have to be also in our GROW offering. More the service related companies, or when we're talking about manufacturing, there's, let's say, more the component manufacturers and so on. So we're covering all these topics as well. But with this easy implementation package, a lot of resources about trainings and learnings, and also exchanging with the SAP communities. All these things are there so that help you to implement a solution without without many IT resources.